Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Festool Fest, the show that celebrates Festool, Festoolians in the Festooliverse. If you make the decision to get into Festool, you're probably going to buy a sander, and sanders always need to have the abrasive, because otherwise, what are you doing with the tool? There's nothing to do with it. One of the things about Festool is that if you get their abrasives, it does get a little bit pricey, but things have changed. This product I'm going to show you today was something that I mentioned in a previous video, but only got around to buying one today. Now, not too long ago, I got this, the Rotex RO90, and this is a gear-driven sander that has both the gear-driven, which is like super hardcore, like really great sanding power, and then you have the other mode, which is a random orbit sander, and that just does very nice quality random orbit sanding. And if you really want to do smaller work, this is a great tool to consider. This is the RO90, meaning 90 millimeters or 3 inches. Now, it does have the ability to switch these pads, and then you can put on a delta pad so that you can get into corners and do all kinds of work. The problem with the RO90 is because you've got these two different sizes, you need to get two types of papers, round and delta, which means that you got to spend twice the amount of money, which kind of is a bummer. Now, for the longest time, Festool had this Granat abrasive set, which have a bunch of abrasives that would have both the round and the delta, but it was like $200, which is a lot of money until now. This is the new Festool SIS STF D90 V93 abrasive set, and it's going to have pretty much everything you need to start using your Rotex 90. So let's get inside here and have a look. Inside the sustainer are 8 different abrasives, 4 delta and 4 circular, and they come in 60, 80, 120, and 180 grits in both sizes. So you got a nice little container here, and each of these, there are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 20. We're going to say that's 20. Now, remember when I mentioned to you that the previous version of this was like around $200? This one is $109. And remember when I saw that, I was kind of like, how is this even possible? Festool is getting cheaper. What is happening in the world? Everything's kind of turning upside down. I don't know what's going on. Maybe Festool is trying to lower prices to compete in the larger market, which is a good thing. So right now, if you're looking for new abrasive, this is going to be a great way to go. You're getting 160 sheets of abrasives for $109. That includes the sustainer, which is, I don't know, another 50 to 60, 70 bucks. So it's really quite a good deal. Plus, it also has the insert so that you can organize it. Now, they have this not only in these D90 papers, but they also have in Delta, Rectangle, the 125, 150, and 225 papers. Now, the other ones are a little bit more expensive, but still a great value. All right, so hope that helps. Thanks for tuning in. Please consider subscribing, and see you next time.